When AI answers your question, it first has to search through information. But there are two very different ways it can perform that search. A vector database stores information as embeddings, numerical representations of meaning, so it can retrieve content that is semantically similar to your question. Instead of matching exact words, vector search finds the closest point in meaning space, asking which information is mathematically most similar. Using a vector database is often this simple. Submit your query and retrieve the most semantically similar pieces of information. Vector search excels with messy, unstructured content like documents, emails, chat conversations, and articles where wording may differ. Each chunk is retrieved independently. A vector database doesn't naturally understand how separate pieces of information are connected. Knowledge graphs organize information as entities, connected by explicit relationships, making those connections part of the stored data. Instead of searching by similarity, a graph follows relationships from one entity to another to discover connected information. Instead of searching, graph databases are queried by asking how entities are connected, allowing you to retrieve information through explicit relationships. Knowledge graphs shine when answers require following several connected facts instead of retrieving just one similar document. Graphs work best with structured information. Unstructured documents usually need entity extraction before they can become part of the graph. These technologies solve different problems. Vector databases search for similarity, while knowledge graphs search through relationships. A vector-only RAG system often struggles when the answer depends on connecting information scattered across multiple documents. Answering who manages the person who wrote this report requires chaining multiple connected facts rather than retrieving one similar paragraph. Instead of choosing one approach, GraphRAG combines semantic search with graph relationships to capture the strengths of both. Vector search first finds relevant starting points. The graph then expands outward through connected entities to gather richer context. Vector databases find similar information. Knowledge graphs find connected information. Together, they create a far more capable retrieval system. Do you need similarity, connections, or the power of both working together? The next time you build a retrieval system, ask yourself,